Imagine a compact desktop computer so small, you could slide it under your monitor, hide it behind your display, or place it on the corner of your desk without even noticing it. Yet inside that tiny frame lives a level of raw, breathtaking power that rivals full-size desktops. And this is exactly the level of shock and excitement building around the upcoming M5 Mac Mini, a device that has sparked a massive wave of anticipation because early leaks, insider reports, and supply chain whispers all point to one explosive conclusion: Apple is preparing to turn the Mac Mini into one of the most powerful, most efficient, and most AI-focused machines they have ever built. And the tech world can feel the momentum building like a storm. As we get closer to Apple's next reveal, everything from benchmark leaks to engineering rumors paint a picture of a machine designed to redefine expectations for small desktops. Because the M5 chip powering this device is rumored to deliver unbelievable CPU and GPU gains, pushing performance into a territory where creators, professionals, students, developers, and even gamers will suddenly look at this little box and realize it might actually outperform their current full-size setups. Reports suggest the M5 chip could pack a staggering 40 to 50% boost in CPU performance over the previous generation, while GPU enhancements could be even more dramatic, thanks to Apple's next-gen architecture designed to push graphics rendering, AI acceleration, and real-time processing into an entirely new era. This means video editors can expect quicker renders, smoother playback, and faster timeline scrubbing. Developers can expect shorter compile times and better performance under heavy workloads. 3D artists can expect cleaner previews with less lag, and everyday users can expect lightning-fast multitasking that feels almost supernatural. With apps opening instantly and transitions feeling like the machine is predicting their next move, Apple is reportedly making the Mac Mini one of the first machines to showcase the full power of the M5 chip because its compact design, efficient cooling, and strategic pricing make it the perfect platform to introduce Apple's next phase of AI computing. A phase defined by on-device intelligence, real-time enhancement, and powerful creative features that run locally without cloud delays or privacy concerns. But the story doesn't end with the chip. In fact, that's only the beginning. Several credible leaks hint that Apple is considering a refreshed design for the M5 Mac Mini, possibly bringing a thinner profile, a more refined surface finish, and even premium color options like midnight or space black, something fans have been begging Apple to deliver for years. This fresh look would not only modernize the Mac Mini visually, but also improve heat dissipation, allowing the M5 chip to run cooler, quieter, and faster. Insiders claim Apple may introduce a redesigned thermal layout so that even during heavy workloads like 4000 editing or gaming, the Mini stays whisper quiet and cool to the touch. Apple knows fans want better connectivity too. An early report suggests the M5 Mac Mini may come with upgraded Thunderbolt ports, a more capable HDMI output supporting higher refresh rates and possibly smoother 6K or 8K workflows, faster Wi-Fi, stronger Bluetooth stability, and a layout of ports that makes more sense for real-world use. This could include better handling of multiple displays and improved compatibility with external accessories, making the Mac Mini feel like a fully capable workstation rather than just an entry-level machine. But perhaps the most an exciting part of the M5 Mac Mini story is Apple's plan for AI. The M5 chip is expected to carry a significantly enhanced neural engine, allowing for powerful on-device AI tasks that feel instantaneous and incredibly smooth. Apple Intelligence features, advanced photo and video enhancements, real-time audio tools, instant transcriptions, object removal, smart scene edits, predictive text tools, AI-powered creative assistants, and next-level automation could all run faster and more reliably thanks to the M5's new architecture. This shift toward AI-first computing transforms the Mac Mini from a compact desktop into a smart, responsive, intelligent partner that adapts to your workflow and amplifies your productivity. And because these tasks run directly on the chip, privacy remains fully intact, and speed remains consistent, with no dependence on internet connectivity or server load. Apple wants users to feel like their Mac is learning from them, anticipating their needs and enhancing their work instantly. And the M5 Mac Mini might become one of the first machines to truly realize that dream. But what about pricing? Surprisingly, insiders say Apple may keep the price similar to the current Mac Mini lineup, giving users a massive upgrade without a major increase in cost. This alone could make the M5 Mac Mini one of the best price-to-performance products Apple has released in years, appealing not only to professional users, but also to students, freelancers, remote workers, and anyone searching for a compact but extremely capable desktop solution. If these pricing rumors hold true, this device could dominate the market, giving users access to next-gen performance and AI capability without the high cost of larger Mac models like the Mac Studio or Mac Pro. Now the big question: should you upgrade? And based on all the leaks, rumors, and early performance expectations, the answer is shaping up to be a very strong yes. If you're using an Intel Mac or an early M-series model, the upgrade leap is expected to be massive. We're talking generational improvements that fundamentally change how the machine feels during everyday tasks. Even users with an M2 or M3 may find the AI boosts, GPU jumps, and CPU enhancements compelling enough to consider moving to the M5. For creators, this means faster exports, smoother editing, more accurate color grading, and better performance with high-resolution footage. For developers, this means quicker building, virtualization improvements, and seamless multitasking. For gamers, this means smoother performance and access to Apple's expanding library of optimized titles. For students and casual users, it means a machine that simply runs fast, stays cool, lasts longer, and feels like a premium upgrade in every possible way. And for businesses or offices, it means a compact, silent, low-energy device that offers performance levels once reserved for much more expensive desktops as launch time approaches. Excitement is exploding across tech communities. Reviewers are preparing their comparison charts. Creators are lining up their reaction videos. Apple fans are buzzing over what could easily be the most surprising desktop release of the year. The Mac Mini has always been one of Apple's most underrated products. It's often overshadowed by larger, flashier devices, but the M5 Mac Mini has the potential to steal the spotlight entirely. It could be the sleeper hit of 2025. The device people buy, thinking it's small but good, only to discover it's actually tiny but unbelievably powerful. That's the magic of the Mac Mini. It never shouts for attention. But once you use it, you realize how incredibly capable it really is. And with the M5, the magic might reach an entirely new level. So here's the bottom line. The M5 Mac Mini isn't just an incremental upgrade. It represents Apple's new future in computing. A future where performance doesn't require a huge tower, where AI doesn't rely on cloud servers, where power and silence coexist, where creativity becomes smoother and smarter, and where Apple delivers professional-level machines at prices that still feel accessible. This tiny desktop is shaping up to be a powerhouse of epic proportions, a machine that blends speed, efficiency, intelligence, design, and value into one compact box that might just become the most exciting Mac release of the year. Whether you're a creator, a student, a developer, a gamer, a freelancer, or simply someone who wants a reliable and incredibly fast computer for everyday use, the upcoming M5 Mac Mini may be the one device that completely transforms your desk setup and elevates your productivity in ways you didn't expect. And when Apple finally reveals it, don't be surprised when tech headlines explode, reviews go wild, and this little box becomes the star of the entire launch event, proving once again that sometimes the smallest machines make the biggest impact.